Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a little different than my usual small engine and guitar videos, but I do a lot of tool videos as well. So I just picked this up off of Amazon. This is a little miniature blower. It comes with it's not real huge, it's about an inch opening on this. And don't start laughing at me yet, you know. But this is actually really nice, and this is not an actual DEWALT product, but the DEWALT batteries will work with it. And I wasn't aware of it for a long time. That's the main reason I want to make this video, just to kind of share some information and do a review of this. But and I will say this, if you're a die-hard DEWALT fan, won't use nothing like off-brand or anything, and this video and tool is not for you. But if you're an avid DIYer or work in a semi-professional environment or something like that, where you're using tools a lot but not like 8 hours a day constantly, this is the kind of stuff you need to save you a few dollars and still have a decent tool. And also, I'm not affiliated with Amazon or DEWALT or any brands, and so this is just a general review of a product and just trying to make you aware of something. But it's made about as good as any tool made out of plastic is going to be, and it is a brushed motor. It's not a brushless motor. It is variable speed. There is no lock on or lock off buttons. There's no safety. You just squeeze the trigger and go with it. I don't have a long-term use of how long a battery will hold charge with it, and this battery's fully charged. I probably use it for 5 minutes. This thing moves a pretty considerable amount of air considering how small it actually is. And another thing I was going to mention is there's a lot of other tools available that will work with name brand batteries, not just DEWALT. You can probably find a Milwaukee, Ryobi, or anything that will work with that brand of batteries. And you can also get aftermarket batteries. Now, if you don't have no other tools and don't currently have the DEWALT batteries, then don't buy this just to use that. Get something a little bit more generic that comes with its own battery and go that route. And I'm glad I bought it. Like, I haven't really used it that much other than cleaning off the workbench. And I kind of left some metal shavings and stuff. Now obviously you probably need some safety glasses on at this point, but I just figured it would kind of blow this corner off just to kind of give you an idea of what it will do. So I'm just going to squeeze the trigger full throttle and go at it. I mean, that's pretty impressive, honestly. There's some metal shavings in the floor here, but this is why I bought it for. Now, I have a steel gas powered blower and a couple other gas powered blowers, but just in the garage, like if I just need to blow the workbench or the floor off, a lot of times I don't want to fill the garage up with the gas fumes and stuff. Just want to quickly blow it out without having to air out the whole garage. So that's the main reason I bought this. Is this going to move a whole lot of leaves and debris in your yard? No. Is it going to blow off your porch and sidewalk? Yeah, it's going to do that. It's not made to be blowing acres of leaves or nothing like that. It's made to blow your sidewalk or garage or workbench off, or your mower when you get done mowing, that kind of thing. So, light to medium duty use. Should hold up. Who knows, it might hold up really good. But I just want to make a quick little video, and a lot of people are skeptical about stuff like this, including myself. And maybe I just picked out the right one. There's a lot of different ones on there. I'll just put a link in the description for it. It's not an affiliate link, like I said, nothing like that. It's just a direct link to the product on Amazon. So, but yeah, if you're wondering about the price, I caught it on sale, and with tax and everything, with free shipping, it was less than $30 for this. The price varies a lot on Amazon or stuff like this. I think it had like a 10% off coupon, something like that. So always pay attention to them coupons on there. But yeah, I just want to make a quick video on this, and also wanted to make a note, if the audio sounds clearer or louder on this video, I've got my external mic turned around facing me. I usually just use the mic on the camera, but just thought I'd try this, just something different. Plus I got the air conditioner and the washer running out here in the dryer too, and thought this might help eliminate some background noise. So, hopefully it holds up, and maybe this is all you need for what you're doing. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next video.